Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the total number of different types of files present in your Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as file types man, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. You can see here a download link. So you can see the first one is download file types man and download file types man for into 64. So if you're using a 32-bit, then you can download this first one, and if you're using a 64-bit, then you can download this 64-bit, or you can get this 32-bit also. So I will download a 64-bit since I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So since it's a zip file, so firstly extract it. And after extracting, just open the folder. So here you will see in the second one is the application. So just double click it. So wait for a few seconds, it's scanning as you can see here. So finally you can see, in my case, you can see in the bottom, on the left bottom, you can see 990 file types. So I have 990 different types of file types, and you can see the entry list as you can see here. And on the left side you can see the extensions, and the right side you can see the name of the files. So you can see here enter list, that is to enter different types of file types and respective file names, and the locations also you can get everything. You can get here informations as you can see here. You can get tons of informations where this file is located, when it is being modified, and so and so. You can get a full details here, everything about the different types of files. So you can even save or export this entire list of different types of files. So what you need to do is just press Ctrl A to select enter file types, and you can see above save icon. Just click on it. Now just give a name, whatever you want to give a name. So in my case I will give a name as file types. So, and below you can see save as types. So there are tons of options to save as, like a text file .txt or HTML file or .xml and .csv file. So I'll just save it as text file. You can save it as HTML or others also, whichever you like, and I'll select the location desktop and click on save. So we have exported everything. So let me open this text file. So you can see here entered list is being exported finally. So using these applications you can find out the total number of different types of files present in your Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this very cool applications that will let you know the total number of different types of files present in your Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.